Hi, welcome to my channel. The budget Dacia Bigster will be priced at the level of lower class models. The crossover will be offered in gasoline and hybrid versions, as well as with factory LPG. The new Dacia Bigster will debut a little later than expected. The flagship crossover from the Romanian Renault Group brand is to be unveiled in early 2025. Details of the new model were shared by Javier Martinet, head of sales and marketing at Dacia. He said that the crossover Dacia Bigster will be built on CMF platform, as Renault Austral and E-Space, as well as Nissan Qashqai and X-Trail. At the same time, Dacia is doing everything possible to make the new model significantly cheaper than its counterparts, because affordability is the main advantage of the Romanian brand. The Dacia Bigster crossover will cost the same as lower-class models. According to Javier Martinet, it can be done by reducing the number of expensive active safety systems in the basic version. In addition, the crossover will have few options. The new Dacia Bigster will reach about 4.6 meters in length and keep the chopped design of the pre-production concept car. By the way, the new Duster of the third generation will be made in the same style. The model will be offered with 1.2-liter petrol turbo engines rated at 120 and 140 horsepower, and also with 160 horsepower hybrid unit from Renault Captur. A variant with factory LPG is also expected. Front and all-wheel drive versions will be available. Thank you for watching, and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos.